पीएस न्यूज़ में आपका इस्तकबाल है। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त मोहम्मद जावेद। हम रखिए खबरों पे नज़र, आप रखिए खबरनामे पे नज़र।
It's a different era. It's a different thought process. Prime Minister felt, and all of us have worked in that direction, that the G20 is something which should be treated as a national endeavour, that different parts of India must have a sense of participation, and that this is something which has been truly, I would say, non-partisan. If you look actually at the G20 events, a lot of it were held in states which are not ruled by BJP governments. They're ruled by governments in the opposition. And you can see the result. I mean, to me, one of the big pluses of the G20 is really how much more interested the people of India, especially the young people of India, have got in foreign policy. And they need it, because look, this is a globalized era. This is an era where the opportunities